GMA News, and few things I'd like to say, being awarded as the News Reporter of the Year. Our work can be so tiring and draining, and in a time where facts are debated, I think that the work of the journalists, of reporters, matters more than ever, and so we should protect our media men at all costs. We should protect our media men at all costs. Because no matter the weather, kasama niyo po ang mga mamamahayag natin para magbalita. Sa panahon ng sunog, bagyo, baha, lindol, landslide, giyera, nandyan po sila to raise awareness and inform the public. And I think we are all gathered here today, tonight, because we just love so much our job, kung saan-saan mang field or categories, and that the people see the passion and the efforts that we pour into our work. And so congratulations po sa lahat po ng winners, and may we continue to inspire others. And of course, this award, while I'm humbled to receive this award belongs to the GMA News and the entire team who pushes me to keep fighting for the truth, keep digging and keep asking questions, and may this inspire also others. And of course, mga kapuso, this award, most importantly, also is for you. Thank you for trusting me with your stories, especially during your darkest hours. Maraming salamat po. And if anything, Judy pa po ako dun kanina, and it's just nice to spend good times with all of you. Everybody looks so wonderful. And later, naka-Judy pa po ulit because ako po, si EJ Gomez, nakatutok. 24 oras. Thank you, good evening, and mabuhay po tayong lahat.
The VP Choice Awards News Anchor of the Year recognizes people's favorite news anchor was earned the trust of the public by consistently delivering unbiased and up-to-date news that Filipinos can depend on.
And the nominees are Atong Arroyo, State of the Nation, Bernadette, Sembrano, Gigi Patrol, Connie, Season, from Baliktakani, Vicky Morales from Benticuatro Oras, Jerry Ranson from Frontline, Filipinas, Nikki de Guzman from Frontline, Wicked.
The
The
VP
VP
Choice
Choice
Award
Award goes
goes
to
Vicky Morales from
from
Benticuatro
Benticuatro
Oras.
Oras. Congratulations. Once again, congratulations, Vicky Morales from 24 Oras.
Please go to the stage.
Okay. Congratulations again, Vicky Morales.
The VP Choice Awards News Program.
Here we have Vicky Morales from 24 Oras. Let's give her a big round of applause.
Sililinaw ko lang po, hindi po ako si Vicky Morales. Ako po si Aubrey Carambel ng GMA News. At sa ngalan po ni Miss Vicky Morales, maraming salamat po sa VP Choice Awards.
Once again, congratulations.
The VP Choice Awards News Program of the Year recognizes the people's favorite and most trusted news program that consistently delivers trustworthy, unbiased, and up-to-date news that Filipinos can rely on.
The nominees are 24 Oras, TV Patrol, Frontline Pilipinas, Balitang A to Z, Mata ng Agitan.
The VP Choice Award goes to TV Patrol from ABS-CBN.
Congratulations!
Sa lahat, ako po si Ariel Rojas, weather actor ng TV Patrol. And sa kanan po ng TV Patrol, tinatanggap po namin ang karangalan ito mula sa VP Choice Awards. Sa kanan po ng aming mga actors, field reporters, ang aming producers, writers, secretary.
The nominees are Ashley Serrano, Secretary Manala for It's Okay Not to Be Okay, Marky Quintos for Ayutthaya, Tropical Summer, Nia Valentin for Amasada, Stephanie for Mataglides, Sarah Jo for Amutiana. The Choice Award goes to Ashley.
What's up? Let's go. Good pose.